Greetings from the very first beach adventure in Lidingö. Yes, I am out on the sea once again, obviously, and on this beautiful sandy beach. On this 14th of July 2025, a beautiful yet cloudy Monday. To get here, you need to get first to Ropsten, which is on the end of the red line, and from there you need to take a bus. There are many buses that goes to different places in Lidingö, and I took the bus 211, and from the bus stop up on the main road it's around 1 kilometer to get here. And it's quite nice sandy beach, I would say, out on the sea on the north coast of Lidingö. And Lidingö is known for its villas and being also a bit of a posh neighborhood in Stockholm, where many rich people live also. And it's also quite a big island as well. And the famous Lidingö Loppet is held here, 30 kilometers, which I think is around the island. That is total of 30 kilometers. So it seems like a big island indeed. It's 19 degrees Celsius in the air, and let's find out the temperature in the water. And I'm also curious if I can jump from the jetty over there that there is. So it seems like it's gonna be deep enough, but first let's check the temperature in the water here at Södergarnsbadet. Yes, that's the name of this beach. And I really hope that we have had some sun today, but that is not the case. But at least the beach is almost completely empty on a cloudy day like this. The water feels kind of warm, actually, I'm not gonna lie. And I'm also a bit surprised, since yesterday on the coast in Värmdö it was 16 degrees Celsius, but here it's 20 degrees. Okay, I will need to re-verify this later, but 20 degrees sounds very warm. Maybe here only in the shallow water, but yeah. Alright, let's go for the jetty while I'll show you more of this beautiful beach, Södergarnsbadet. It is my very first time here, despite living in Stockholm for almost, well, more than 10 years now. And it's gonna be a nice swim in the sea for sure. Here we have a live buoy that says Lidingö Stad, and a smaller beach here on this end. And I see also some cliffs over there. I'm not sure how edgy they are, but yeah, it's this is a big jetty, very long jetty, but I think it is deep enough here to jump. So that's what I'm going to do exactly. Even though it says no diving, I'm going to jump anyway, because it looks deep enough to me. Indeed. So greetings from Lidingö, and the very first beach adventure in Lidingö this year. I am not coming to Lidingö that often, despite being on the sea, but the water here is not so salty, I must admit. So yeah. All right, ready, set, and go. Woo. It's so nice and amazing indeed. It's so beautiful and amazing. Lidingö delivers, and it's quite amazing indeed. There is no wind at all here today. It's super still, and I don't really know if it is 20 degrees in the water. I am starting to question my water thermometer, but yeah, another beach adventure with Kris from the sea on this 14th of July 2025. So yeah, I'm gonna be enjoying a bit here on this beach and explore, maybe Lidingö a bit more. But yeah, that is a wrap for this beach adventure. Let's go below this border here. And here I can stand. So, greetings from Södergarnsbadet in Lidingö. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Kris!